It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a fun video today for you guys that I've never done before, which is surprising because I feel like every beauty YouTuber out there has done it, and that's Empties. And I have been keeping a bag right here of all of the Empties that I have accumulated in the past couple of months. I guess I've never done one for you guys before because I just rarely make it to the bottom of my products before we have to like go travel or do whatever, especially makeup, because I'm constantly trying new things. So I'm going to dig into this bag and show you what I've actually used all the way down to the bottom. First product up is something that I loved through my pregnancy. I've loved before my pregnancy and I love after my pregnancy. I've been using this since high school. Is the Olay In Shower Body Lotion. I bought this in a 6-pack off of Amazon because they're so hard to find in store. It is what it says it is. It's in shower lotion. So after you wash, you put it on your skin and then you rinse it off, and then you can skip lotion after you get out of the shower. So it's just like one quick thing and you're done. And I love it. I love the way it smells. I love the way it makes my skin feel. And I keep buying this because it's just an awesome, awesome product. So love it. Next one is a baby product because I thought, well, I mean, McKinley needs a little shout out too. So this is the Johnson's Bedtime Baby Bath. I saw this at Target and I was just intrigued because I was like, it says it's clinically proven routine helps baby fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And I loved that it had a lavender scent to it. I don't know. It's just something that we enjoyed adding to her bath every night. We just had a little bit of like a capful into her little baby bath, made it smell good, gave her a little bit of bubbles. Yeah, I love it. I highly recommend it. Okay, so the next one is a 2-for-1. So I have been on the hunt for a natural toothpaste that gives me the same feeling of clean that my non-natural toothpaste do, and then also whitens. So the first one I tried is Tom's. This is the With Fluoride Natural Whole Care, and this is in the spearmint gel. So I actually really like this. I feel like it made my teeth feel really clean. I feel like it helped keep them white. I really liked it. And then also I used Schmidt's Wonder Mitt. This is the tooth and mouth paste. It says helps whiten teeth and freshen breath. I like this one a lot as well. It reminds me of like is it wintergreen or peppermint? Peppermint gum. It reminds me of peppermint gum. If I had to pick one over the other for taste, it would be the Schmidt's. But I feel like they're very comparable, and I like both of them for what it is. There have been a couple of Tom's toothpaste that I don't like, but this is one that I actually do like. Okay, next product is the Solowasu Gentle Cleansing Oil. I mean, there is like not even a drop left in here. This stuff is bomb. I love it so much. I use this okay, so what I do is I take warm water and, do my eyes, like kind of get the stuff moving without rubbing so that it kind of loosens it. And then I take the cleansing oil and rub it all over my face, including around my eyes, get the makeup loose, like oily, my whole face oily, not sudsy, but you know what I mean. And then I rinse and then I move on with cleansing. And this is part of the Korean skincare where they double cleanse, I think, because they do an oil cleanse and then a soap cleanser. I triple cleanse because I will do a makeup wipe, oil cleanse, and then a soap cleanser. But I want to make sure that I have really clean skin because I've noticed that if I even leave just a tiny bit of makeup on, then it's going to clog my pores. So this is fantastic. I love it, and I need some like now. I need more. Next product is Estee Lauder's Renutrieve. This is the Ultimate Lift Regenerating Youth Serum. This one is supposed to be used AM and PM before your Renutrieve moisturizer. So I would use this at night before, I have the next product actually. Before, I would use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I am a huge Advanced Night Repair product fan. I think it's incredible. I love the way it makes my skin feel. It's just something that and it's a cult classic. Like, this is one of those things that's going to be forever on beauty, like every beauty magazine's list of must-haves. It's amazing. The serum, it's fine. I feel like when you put the two together, it really makes your skin look and feel very silky, very just beautiful. But I don't know that I felt like I got any better results with this than I did with just this. I hope that made sense. So these two together didn't feel like made my skin look any different than just this by itself. So maybe I'm not looking close enough. I don't know, but I'm just such a fan of this. And yeah, I can't sing the praises enough for the Advanced Night Repair. Okay, the next product is the SK-II Facial Treatment Essence. This is the Pitera. I did a whole blog post on this, I don't know, probably 6 months ago, and I've been seeing it all over social media lately. I use the entire thing, as you can tell. There's not a drop left in it. I really like it. I like to use it in the morning. I don't use it in the evening. In the evening, I use my Pixi by Petra Glycolic Glow Tonic, which I love the Glow Tonic, but I use this in the morning, and I feel like it made my skin look really fresh, really dewy, and it just left, I use it in place of, I guess it's technically a toner. It's actually a skin balancing essence. So I don't know if that's technically a toner or not, but I use it in the place of a toner. And I feel like a lot of toners leave your skin looking and feeling like kind of dry and sapped of moisture. This does not do that. This like helps put the moisture back into your skin. It helps to hydrate your skin before applying your serums and your moisturizers. So I really like it. Highly recommend. Okay, so the next product is an exfoliant. And I know that there's a lot of controversy about exfoliants and about what they do to our environment and whatnot. And honestly, I don't have an opinion on it because I'm not well studied enough on which ones are good and which ones aren't. But I will say that I've been using this product on and off for years, and I like what it does to my skin, and that's what my review is solely based off of what I feel like it does for my skin. So if you have any negative comments about exfoliants or about this product at all, just don't even comment because I don't have enough knowledge to have an argument with you. Just a heads up. But, okay, so it's the St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. This thing has been around forever. Like, it's been around since all of us have been, before we were born, I'm sure. I love it. I think that it does an amazing job just when I need to exfoliate and I need it on the go and I don't want to spend a ton of money on an exfoliator. So this is what I reach for. Love it. I have a couple of other ones that I also love too. One of which is it the Face Shop Black Sugar Scrub? I've talked about it before. That does amazing. It makes my skin look so good. But I'm a huge fan of exfoliating. I think that it should be a part of every single woman's and man's beauty regimen. I think you should be exfoliating regularly, and I think that that's how you really get your best looking skin. Okay, next product is Nioxin. This is the 3-step system. You guys have seen me talk about this, post about it, everything. This is not sponsored. This is just me telling you again how much I love it. I use this entire thing. It's empty. The conditioner is not with it because I still have a little bit of the conditioner left. Sometimes that happens. Why is that? Like I feel like I never ever use shampoo and conditioner and they run out at the exact same time. Why is that? I mean, I have the same amount of hair. What am I doing wrong? A lot of times I get done with the conditioner and not the shampoo, but most of the time I get done with the shampoo and not the conditioner, and that's what happened in this case. If you guys want to know more about this product, I did a couple of videos. You can look back on my channel, and then I recently talked about it on Instagram too. But so it's really made a difference in my hair loss since having the baby. I've noticed that I haven't had the shedding that a lot of people have complained about, and maybe I haven't reached that point in postpartum, but I hope that I don't reach that point because this has helped prevent that. Next product is a natural deodorant. That's another thing that I have talked about a lot, and if you watch my Amazon faves, I already talked about this, so I'm just gonna throw it out there again. It is this natural deodorant. The brand is Bali's Secrets. I got the original essence. It's the only natural deodorant that I've been able to find that actually has made a difference and actually worked. So 2 thumbs up on this one. So next product is the Tarte Contour Tarte Palette. I've been talking about this forever. It's technically not all the way empty, but I hit pan on 3 of the shades, which is the banana, the regular, and then also the lighter contour shade, the lighter bronzer. And yeah, I just love it. I don't know what else I can say about it that I haven't already said in other videos. It's amazing, and another 2 thumbs up. Next product is the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. There's a tiny bit left in there, but I felt like it was so close to being done that I should throw it in the empties. I have been through so many of these. It is my favorite powder for setting your under eyes because it actually does brighten and make everything just look amazing and refreshed, awake, alive. And then the last product is the Superhero Mascara from It Cosmetics. I've been through, I think, like 2 or 3 tubes of this in the last, I don't know, 6 months or so. It's amazing mascara. I love it. I love the brush. And yeah, so love it. All right, guys, so that is my Empties collection. That is what I have been collecting the last couple of months, the stuff that I've actually used all the way to the end and what I thought about each one of them. So let me know in the comments below what video you want to see from me next, and don't forget to visit me on my blog, angelalanter.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love y'all so much. Au revoir.